Here's how to screen record on your iPad. So first, you need to go ahead and open the control center from the top right corner of your screen, which is indicating the battery icon. Drag it from the top and you'll get the option of screen recording that is beside this lock option. Go ahead and select it. If you tap and hold onto it, it will show you whether to turn the microphone on or off. You can go ahead and select it according to your preference. And if you tap on it, it will give you a timer of 3 seconds. And after that, your iPad screen will start recording. And moreover, you can also go ahead and choose a specific app like Photos, ChatGPT, Facebook, and other different applications for it to record. If you choose Messenger, it will ask to save and send the recording to someone after you finish. And to stop the recording, you can tap on that same little red dot. And if you tap on it once and leave it on that screen, it will pause. You can tap on it to cancel or resume, or tap the dot again and then tap the stop button to end the recording. Once you stop the recording, the file will be saved in your photos. Tap on notifications to view it, and you'll see that everything you said and did has been recorded. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.